One sunny morning, Mr. Elephant walks to the river to drink water. He is very thirsty. Fresh water, he says happily. As he drinks, he sees a small bird sitting on a rock near the river. The bird is singing a sweet song. Tweet, tweet. Mr. Elephant laughs. You are so tiny, he says. Your voice is too small to matter. The little bird looks at him and says, big or small, everyone matters. Mr. Elephant snorts. I am bigger than you, he says, and I am stronger than you too. I don't need anyone's help. He takes a big step forward. Splash. Oh no! Mr. Elephant slips in the mud and falls into the river.
Help!
Help, he trumpets. The bird flies above him. Should I help you? She asks. Mr. Elephant grumbles. Narration. Well, maybe just a little. The bird flies quickly to the forest. She calls the other animals. Soon, the monkeys bring ropes. The deer push together. The bird gives directions from above. Pull now. With a big tug, pull. Mr. Elephant is free. He stands up, covered in mud. Thank you, he says softly. Being small doesn't mean I can't help. They both laugh. From that day on, Mr. Elephant listens before he speaks. Moral: kindness and teamwork are stronger than size.